Hi, this is Andy Infrareddy. You're watching the Paranormal channel. This is Gadget of the Week. This week we're going to look at the Centex EDI. So this is EDI Plus. That replaces the MF1. So this device is built by Zach Lyons in the US, by Centex Paranormal. Basically it's a paranormal multimeter. It combines, so it's a 5-in-1 combining EMF, geophone, temperature, with also pressure and humidity. So the new device also offers the ability to log data by popping an SD card in the top. So we can power the device on. So as you can see, it's got lots of lights, information in the middle on the segment LED display. So if we switch the display at the minute, it's displaying Fahrenheit. Then it'll go to a red LED, and that's displaying temperature in Celsius. So then we can flip through. That's measuring vibration, pressure, humidity. So it scrolls back around to temperature. So we can put the geophone on. So as you can see, that's quite sensitive. And all of this, if you press record, the little light will start to flash and it'll be recording away. So you can actually mark different areas whilst you're recording. So if you do pick up something that you think suspicious, or you want to note a particular point, the way you pick something up on a camera or on an EVP, you can click vibe and display buttons, and then that'll put a mark on. So it's great because it's got the logger, so you can leave this device running away before and after an event, also during as well. Benefit from doing that, you get some baseline readings before you actually start to perform your investigations. So a little bit more about the data logger. As we said, the information can be downloaded to free software. So this is available on the Centex site. So as you can see, if we you can actually move along the log in time, and then at the end there you'd actually get the reading on the scale accordingly. So it's like time. This is a magnitude of actually what you've been recording. So at the top you've got the temperature through humidity, pressure, EMF, vibration, and then any markers that you apply would appear down here. So if you did apply the marker there, you could see that there's several spikes that all coincide, giving you some robust evidence to back up what you've seen. So all in all, the raw data can also be downloaded. The data's saved in a comma separated format, so that's a .csv. So that can be extrapolated to utilise the information as you want. So the temperature, I think it's, if we blow onto this, you'll see a positive increase, and then when the temperature drops back off again, you'll see the blue light flash. Also at the same time, you're seeing the pressure and humidity rise. So again, you can see the relation between pressure, humidity, which is also great if you get static triggers, etc., because they all relate. So as I said, hot and cold increments. So if it increases or decreases by 0.5 Celsius, then those lights, if it's falling, it'll be blue, and if it's rising, it'll be plus. So a little bit more about pressure and humidity. As we're saying, you can get the relative pressure and humidity, and they read out on the display in the middle. So it's a really great, robust device that can be used, in many ways to strengthen the evidence, as was suggested from the other devices. So it fits in this really nice moulded sleeve that can be taken off, and on the rear of the device is where the 3 AA batteries are used to power the device sit. So battery life's quite good. You'll get several investigations out of a set of batteries, leaving it logging, etc. So a little hole in the middle, that's where the temperature sensor sits. So there's a little thermistor in there, that's logging all that data. So if we flip to the vibe, we can also, if we flip to the EMF, I'll try and just stimulate that. So if we put the EM pump there, so as I say you can turn the speaker on and off. So a great addition as well is the 5 LED scale, and whereas before the old EDI only had 2 lights. So this is through from 1 milligauss right the way through to 10 plus milligauss. So whilst you're monitoring the EMF, you can also put the scale on in the middle as well, so you can see that in more accurately. So you can see that's about 8 there, and then if I switch off, you'll see that's just picking up the natural magnetic field from the earth. So that'll just flicker away, just slightly below 1 milligauss level.